Garmin has been refining its smartwatch lineup, improving popular series like the Phoenix, Instinct, Enduro, and Approach. However, one lineup has remained oddly silent, the Forerunner series, known for catering to runners, triathletes, and endurance athletes. The last major update, the Forerunner 965, launched in early 2023, leaving fans wondering when the next leap in technology would arrive. Now, a new FCC, Federal Communications Commission, filing suggests that Garmin might be preparing to release a new device, possibly the highly anticipated Garmin Forerunner 975. But there's a twist. Some intriguing details in the filing have sparked speculation about whether this is truly the Forerunner 975, or if Garmin has something completely new up its sleeve. Let's break down everything we know so far about this potential game-changing smartwatch. FCC filing unveiled what we know so far. A new Garmin device is in the works. Whenever Garmin is preparing to launch a new product, it must first pass through the FCC for regulatory approval. This is a standard process, but the details of this particular filing have raised a few eyebrows. Release timeline. Hints from the FCC, confidentiality date. One of the most telling pieces of information is the confidentiality expiration date, set for June 17, 2025. Typically, Garmin launches products before this confidentiality period ends, meaning we could see this device in early 2025. Looking at Garmin's product cycle, Forerunner 265 and 965 released in early 2023. A 2-year gap perfectly aligns with a Forerunner 975 launch in early 2025. Garmin's secretive naming strategy. In the past, Garmin's FCC filings contained more explicit product names. However, recent filings have omitted specific details, making it harder to determine the exact device being tested. However, experienced analysts use classification codes, connectivity details, and other hints to make educated guesses about upcoming models. What the FCC filing tells us about this device: it's definitely wearable tech. Based on the details in the filing, this new Garmin device is a wearable with wireless connectivity features, including white heavy checkmark Bluetooth, white heavy checkmark Wi-Fi. These features perfectly match the Forerunner series, as Garmin's top-tier running watches always include these capabilities. A missing feature raises questions. Here's where things get interesting. The device does not include Garmin Pay support. This is unusual because Garmin Pay has been a standard feature in high-end Forerunner models for a while. The lack of this feature raises the question. Thinking face, is this truly the Forerunner 975, or is Garmin launching a different type of sports watch? Expected features of the Garmin Forerunner 975. If this mystery device is indeed the Forerunner 975, here are some of the major upgrades we can expect. 1. Next-level GPS tracking and multi-band accuracy. Garmin is already known for best-in-class GPS accuracy, but the Forerunner 975 is expected to take this even further. The Forerunner 965 introduced dual-band GNSS technology, which significantly improved location tracking in challenging environments, urban areas, dense forests, etc. If Garmin enhances this technology further, runners and outdoor athletes will benefit from unmatched precision in route tracking. 2. Improved heart rate monitoring. Garmin has continuously refined its heart rate sensors, with each new model bringing better real-time tracking. We could see the next-gen Elevate 5.0 sensor in the Forerunner 975 offering. Fire more accurate high-intensity workout tracking. Fire better heart rate variability HRV monitoring. Fire improved recovery insights for endurance athletes. 3. AI-powered training insights and adaptive coaching. Garmin has been investing heavily in AI-driven performance tracking, and the Forerunner 975 could introduce next-level adaptive coaching. Possible features: light bulb, personalized training recommendations. Light bulb real-time adaptive coaching based on user data. Light bulb better VO, 2 max, and endurance level tracking. For serious runners, this could be a game changer, making training more efficient and data-driven. 4. Extended battery life inspired by enduro. Battery life is a huge selling point for Garmin's watches. The Garmin Enduro series is known for its insane battery life, and elements of this could make their way into the Forerunner 975. Longer battery life per charge. Battery, more power-efficient GPS usage. Battery ideal for ultramarathon runners and endurance athletes. 5. More smart features and app integration. Garmin has been steadily enhancing smartwatch capabilities across its lineup. The Forerunner 975 could bring musical note, better music storage and streaming. Mobile phone with Arrow improved third-party app compatibility. Person running deeper integration with Strava, Training Peaks, and Zwift. 6. New design and build improvements. The Forerunner series is known for being lightweight and durable. The Forerunner 975 could introduce hammer and wrench, a more rugged yet lightweight frame, titanium or reinforced polymer. Sun with face brighter AMOLED display with better sunlight readability. If Garmin makes these refinements, the Forerunner 975 could be one of the most durable and premium running watches yet. Is this actually the Forerunner 975 or something else? The lack of Garmin Pay support in this new device raises a critical question. Backhand index pointing right, is this truly the Forerunner 975, or is Garmin testing a different product? Some analysts speculate that this could be a budget-friendly sports watch, a new cycling-focused watch, a Garmin Edge 150 cycling computer. Why? The features align more with a Forerunner device, but the absence of contactless payment support is unusual for a premium model. It's possible that Heavy Checkmark Garmin is testing multiple models. Heavy Checkmark, a Garmin Pay-enabled version, could be launched later. Should you wait for the Forerunner 975? If you're in the market for a new running watch, you might be wondering whether to wait for the Forerunner 975 or buy a current model. Reasons to wait. White Heavy Checkmark, a new model, is likely coming in early 2025. White Heavy Checkmark, potentially huge improvements in GPS, AI coaching, and battery life. White Heavy Checkmark could be Garmin's most advanced running watch yet. Reasons to buy now. Light bulb, the Forerunner 965 is still an excellent choice. Light bulb AMOLED display, advanced training metrics, and solid battery life. Light bulb, no need to wait if you need a watch immediately. If you want the latest and greatest, it's probably worth waiting a few more months. But if you need a watch now, the Forerunner 965 remains a strong option. Final thoughts. What's next for Garmin? The Garmin Forerunner 975, or whatever this mystery device is, could be a game changer for serious athletes and runners. Fire next level GPS tracking. Fire improved heart rate monitoring and AI-driven coaching. Fire extended battery life and better smartwatch features. But with the mystery surrounding its missing Garmin Pay support, the big question remains. Backhand index pointing right, is this really the Forerunner 975? Or is Garmin planning something completely different? What do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.